Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Ralph's Automotive. Got the Eclipse back on the lift, and there's been some comments about not finishing the sometimes when I do a video, I don't always finish them. Like on this car here, I was gonna make some more videos, but I've been crazy busy trying to get it done, try to get the car to where I could take it up to Wisconsin, and I just didn't have the time to run around with camera and try to film everything. We got the engine, the donor engine back in, transmission of course, put new clutch on, all that good stuff. I wished I could have filmed some of that stuff, but unfortunately that wasn't meant to happen. I'm not done with the car yet. We've got, matter of fact, I'm fixing to pull the wheels off of it. We got brakes. I've got rotors, the brake shoes in the back for the e-brake. I want to do all that, get these things here nice and freed up, so there ain't no problem there. We put new tires on it, of course. It seems like it never fails, that tires are bad. We did that, and the brakes on the thing are god awful. I mean, they're all rusted up. I don't know that I showed that in the last video, whatever. It's rusted pretty bad, front and back. I mean, that car's been sitting for a long time. Like I said again, I'm sorry that I wasn't able to do the video on it. But anyway, we'll do a brake video probably for the Eclipse. I don't know even how many of them things are still around or whatever, but I'm gonna do a brake video, and we're gonna call it good enough for the old Eclipse, I guess. We've done a lot of work to it. I mean, it had a lot more problems. What the guy that I bought it from, what he told me, I don't think he's mechanically inclined at all. I've seen some receipts in there of stuff that he could have easily done himself, that he had shops do, and so I don't believe he was intentionally out to get me. But there was just a lot more wrong with this car than what he knew about, I'm going to say. But anyway, neither here nor there. I just wanted to make a quick video because I didn't want people to sit there and wait for the videos on the Eclipse, and I'm not making them. I can't make them because obviously that job is completed. So again, sorry I didn't get that video or videos made for you guys, but I was in a bad rush to get this done. We went up to took the car up to Canada, almost Canada already. We went up to Wisconsin to see a buddy of mine. His daughter got married this weekend, and I went up seeing some of my kinfolk, and then kind of made a little detour almost to the Canadian border up there. But yeah, everything's been fine. We didn't have any problems, no check engine lights and all that good stuff. The only complaint that I got about the vehicle is these things turn so dadgum high. That's basically the only complaint I got with it. These engines are powerful enough. I think they could have made the gears a little bit higher, but it is what it is. It runs, drives great, no complaint. Everything in it works. Had one little problem with the fuse because a coin fell in the cigarette lighter hole, and I shortened it out. So, well, guys, thanks for watching the video. Again, sorry I couldn't get the videos made that I wanted to make, so it is what it is. Stay tuned for the brake video. Thanks for watching.